treat you bad. I know I made you cry. I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have.
For 2 days now, your friend's number has not been connecting. Why?
She had an emergency. Yes, she traveled to the village immediately.
Since when?
For 2 days now.
That's exactly the same day her number stopped connecting.
What a perfect coincidence.
So, what's the emergency all about?
Her mother is sick, to the point of death. So they called her to come and take care of her mother in the hospital. So she had to leave immediately.
Why didn't she mention that to me? You know, had it been she told me about this, I would have sent one of my boys to take the mother to a specialist hospital.
She's a very private person. She doesn't like disturbing people at all.
No, Uzoma, this is not about disturbance. We are talking about a woman I have come to love with everything in me. I've already made up my mind that she's going to become my third wife.
What?
Yes, I have decided that I will make her my third wife. Do you have a problem with that?
No, not at all.
Good. Listen, if you are able to establish contact with her, please ask her to call me immediately.
No problem, I will do that.
Good. Or better still, let her meet me here.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir.
No, I treat you bad. I know I made you cry. I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now I am down on my knees, begging you to give me.
She said that it is over between both of us. And that she will never ever have anything to do with me again.
You know how women behave when they are angry. So at this moment, she is angry. You will have to go back when her anger must have subsided.
Amara, it seems you didn't hear me very well. Or you did not understand what I said. Chinenye said it is over between me and her.
She cannot say a thing like that. So, how are we going to survive?
You don't have to worry yourself. Like I said the other day, I will get another rich lady of my choice.
Ofoma, for your mouth, everything they do very easy and simple. You need to maintain and keep the one you have before looking for another one. See, I beg. You go back, go beg her. You need to go back and beg her. Ha! Ehena, that means you're indirectly telling me to go back to the streets.
You are very, very stupid by saying that.
You are more stupid by destroying our means of survival.
Wait, Amana. Did you just reply me in that manner?
Didn't you?
Amana, you slapped me.
You slapped me first.
Eh? Amana.
Obama! Obama, stop this! Obama!
Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
I know I treat you bad. I know I made you cry. I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now I am down on my knees, begging you to give me a second chance.
I didn't hear from you after our last conversation.
Well, that is because I have a lot going on right now. Too many things in my head. But not to worry. I'll clear them up and then come up with a decision.
Come on. You're keeping that young man waiting.
He has to wait. Because whatever is happening now, he brought upon himself.
Yeah. You know, I wish I had your kind of mind. I mean, you know how to punish someone.
But I hope you know I wasn't like this before. That young man made me who I am today.
I know. But I also think he has learnt his lesson. So, just sheath your sword.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
If I don't take Paul back into my life, Would that make you angry?
No, never. No. Listen, don't get me wrong. This has nothing to do with us or our friendship, okay? Taking him back or standing your ground of never having anything to do with him again in your life is entirely your decision. And whatever decision you come up with, I will respect it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much, Lady Clarion.
Why did you even ask me that?
Well, let's say that's a topic for another day. Meanwhile, I have to get going. Okay?
You know you're becoming very mysterious these days.
Some days are like that, darling. I should finish this up before I leave.
I know.
You should. The wine is good. So, I'll see you.
I know.
When I see you.
Yeah, but then...
I treat you badly, I know I made you cry. I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now I am down on my knees, begging you to give me a second chance. From you, it's a second chance. All I'm begging you is to let me to try again.
Oh, hi, Mr. Paul.
Hey, Anki, how are you?
I'm well, thank you. It's been quite a while, you know.
Yeah, I know. Forgive me, my fault, but don't worry. I'll clean it up.
Yeah, right.
I'll clean it up.
Yeah, right.
How have you been?
Well, I've been good, you know, coping with work and just pushing it gradually.
Yeah, I know how that can be. Please be honest with me. Is she around?
Unfortunately, she's not. She stepped out a while ago.
Oh, Chinenye.
I know, right?
I'm not in luck this time, huh?
Well, we can't completely say you're not in luck because she could be here any moment from now.
Oh, okay. So she doesn't sleep out?
She never sleeps out. What are you talking about?
Sounds good to me.
I know, right?
Sounds good to me. Okay, I'll just wait. You get tired of talking to me, you want to go back inside, I'll just
I
sit
could
in
never.
my
I could never. I'm right here.
Oh my goodness. Cheerful you. So tell me, what's been going on with you?
You don't want to know.
I want to know.
This country, sometimes I feel like it's drying out my blood. Things are getting harder by the day. My goodness.
We can all relate now, can't we? But we hope to fix this nation with the next election.
Oh, I can't wait. Because apparently it doesn't seem to be enough the fact you're working hard.
Yeah. The next election, the coming election will be different.
Oh, I pray.
I'm positive.
I so pray.
I know I made you cry. I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now I am down on my knees, begging you to give me a second.
Hello?
Yeah, hi. My name is Kingsley.
I'm sorry, the name sounds very familiar, but I still can't place where I've met you before.
Okay, I am Paul's friend, and I suppose we met at his house.
Oga Kingsley. This one you remembered me today.
Come on, what do they say? That if Muhammad refuses to go to the mountain has no choice than to go to Muhammad.
Are you now saying it's my fault?
No. I haven't said that.
You better not say it.
Okay, are you free? I would have liked us to see and have a discussion.
Okay, it's not a problem, but I hope there are no issues.
No. No challenge, all is well.
Okay, so where are you at the moment?
Right now, behind High Court.
Alright, that's actually on my way home, so I'll just stop by and see you before I go home.
Okay, in that case, shall I wait for you here?
Yes, please.
Alright then, see you soon.
Alright, thank you. See you in a bit.
Undiluted feelings from the inside, and to stand with you till the end of time, and the promise to never to break your heart. There is a promise from my heart, from the deepest part of my heart. I give you these words from my heart, that I die to love and respect is gonna be so easy. Without stickle feelings from inside. Everything is gonna be alright. Have you been in love before?
Mr. Kingsley, always looking so young and gracious.
I can only give thanks.
Hi.
I'm good.
And how is the family?
Well, the family is doing fine. And lest I forget, I'm a father now.
You are kidding me.
Yes, I'm a father.
Wow, that is good.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you very
And
much.
please tell your wife I would definitely drop by to see our new baby.
Of course, and she will be so excited to see you again.
I sure will come. I will.
All right, I wouldn't want to drag this conversation any further.
Okay.
I would love to hit the nail on the head.
All right.
Paul loves you. Yes, I know he was a beast in the past, but he's changed now. I appeal to you to please sheath your sword and just consider him for a second chance.
Why would I do that?
Because you loved him once. And whatever you love will always find its way back to you, no matter the circumstance surrounding the separation. Listen, he has come back to his senses. He now understands his faults and is ready to make amends. I can beat my chest and guarantee that. Please just reconsider him. Please.
It's all right. I am. I'll think about it.
All right then. I hope to hear from you soon.
All right. I have to get going now.
It's all right, no problem. And I will tell my wife to expect your coming.
I would definitely drop by the house. It's not a problem.
All
Okay?
right. All right.
By the way, you look good.
Thank
Good
you.
father. Showing your baby has brought you so much joy.
Maximum joy.
All right, thanks. Bye.
All right, darling.
Listen to me now, please now. I'm begging you since now. Eh? How long are we going to continue like this? Please, I'm begging you since, please.
From my papa wey born me to all the guys who I don't date for my life, no one don't beat me. Why you can't beat me?
I am sorry, please. It will never happen again.
Of course it will never happen again because today is the last day. This relationship, I am ending it.
Hey.
I am done.
My love, it hasn't gotten to this now. Please. Eh?
For raising your hands on me, it has.
Hey!
Orola, look at the way you are. Am I up your punch bag?
I'm sorry, my love. We have come a long way. We can't just end it like this now. Bikono, please.
Ofoma, what were you even thinking when you beat me up?
Hey.
Kefi nature, what were you thinking?
I'm sorry. Like I said, it will
Ofoma,
never happen again.
I am done with this relationship. There is no next time.
Please. Hey, my love, please. Where are you going now? Where are you going? Please.
From the day you raised your hand on me, I owe you no explanation.
Hey, Obi, my love, because Obi, my love. My love, please, are you leaving me? Hey, what am I going to do? Hey, oh God, what is this now? My love. Hey, my only hope. Hey, oh my God, my love, please. Oh, my love. Obi. People love me, sir. Oh, this is my own is finished. Oh.
You look good.
I try.
It's been crazy, really.
I know, but things will get better, I promise you.
I can't wait. I just... Speaking of which, she's here. I told you.
Ooh.
What are you doing here, Paul?
Okay. I guess I'll have to leave both of you to sort out yourselves.
Thank you.
Sure.
I ask again, Paul. What are you doing here?
I'm here because I've come to speak with you. Naija. We're losing time. And life is leaving us behind. You and I cannot continue to live like this. It is time that you and I put our past behind us and carve a new path for ourselves.
You're the last person I wish to set my eyes on. I hate you. I hate you, Paul.
And I love you. I never stopped loving you.
You hurt me badly.
I know. But listen, I have grown. I know better now. I see my mistakes. And I'm asking that you give us another chance. It might sound cliche, I know, but just try. Give me a chance to heal this wound in your heart. I tell you, Naija, you and I will be miserable for the rest of our lives if we do not end up as man and wife. Please. Please.
What is that supposed to mean?
I am going to make you my wife in the shortest possible time. Baby. You don't have to say anything. I'm asking that you give me your hand. Let us reconnect. Our body, spirit, and soul. And I assure you that it will be magic and fireworks again.
Don't come close.
I can't help it. I can't remember the last time I was this close to you. I can't remember the last time you allowed me to touch you. Please, baby. Please. I'll make it up to you. Stop crying.
All I'm begging you is to let me to try again. Please, if you let me,
I'm
then
sorry.
I will write
I'm
up
sorry.
my
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm a changed man now.
I'm sorry.
All I need is a
I'm sorry.
second chance, a second
sorry, baby.
chance, a second chance to make
sorry,
everything
please.
right again.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I feel good.
Dun, 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 dun.
I knew that I would now.
Dun, 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 dun.
So good.
Dun, dun.
So good.
Dun, dun.
I got you. Woohoo! Feel good.
You seem so happy this night. What is the secret?
So, NK,
Yes.
break the news to her.
Very well then. And the good news is Paul and Chinenye are back together! Yes, they are back together. My goodness, you needed to have seen their love scene. You will know destiny's power. Until you did, yeah. I peeped you guys. I was peeping.
Calm down. When did this happen?
This afternoon. Oh my God.
So, is that why you blocked shifts now?
How did you know I blocked his line?
I went there today. I was with him.
Anyway, whatever happened between Chief and I is over. What am I even saying? Nothing actually happened. Just that the old man wanted to spend some money on me and I just allowed it to happen. And this man actually spent good money on me. That's it.
He did?
Yeah.
Really?
I am sorry, girls. I didn't just want to bother you girls with details.
I see.
I did, yeah. By the way, what did you tell him when he was complaining about my number not connecting?
I told him you had an emergency and you went to the village.
This girl, you two get sense. Get out. You two know something. Get away.
Why are you like this? After committing, so you used me to cover up.
You are too intelligent for my liking.
Try to cover you. What are you saying?
You be my girl. Who's that baby?
Anyway, but really, this is not how to end this thing.
Please. I know better how to end it, okay? Because I don't trust what you're going to say next. You started this whole chief thing to begin with. Then, yeah, please, first things first. I need you to go back to Chief and officially end whatever relationship you both had in the past. Please. I don't want Paul to find out and then things get complicated.
Okay, mommy, I will. I have heard you.
Exactly what I was trying to say.
Oh my God. If sarcasm was a person, that would be you. Always.
Have you guys taken some celebration and this reunion of all and...
That's a good idea.
No.
This deserves a celebration.
Because I'm happy.
Now reconcile.
Little feelings from the inside, and to stand with you till the end of time, and the promise to never to break it.
Woo!
What is going on?
Celebration, jubilation.
So what are you celebrating?
Guess now, guess.
No, I am not good when it comes to guessing.
Guess. But you have to try now. If someone says guess, you have to just make an effort. Guess.
Okay.
Guess.
It's obviously not your birthday. I mean...
You cannot even say that it's not my birthday, because of course you know my birthday.
Also, just tell me, please.
Come on now, guess. Try one guess.
Got a contract? I don't know. Oh my God!
You know, I called you here to tell you that Chinenye and I got back together.
Really?
Yes.
Whoa, this is good news.
It is good news. You know, I called you in here to celebrate with you because you are the mastermind behind this reconciliation. Look, I don't know how it happened, but I know I kept talking. I kept telling her, listen, you know, life is leaving us behind and we're losing time and we're losing a great opportunity to be together. I made her understand that the both of us will be miserable in this world without each other as man and wife. I don't know, I just kept talking. I don't know what worked. But I think that the stars aligned. And she said yes. And so yes, we're back together. But you're here to celebrate with me as the mastermind behind this reconciliation. Thank you so much. Greater days ahead for myself and Chinenye. Boy, I'm like a little boy. I'm all over the place. I'm excited. And to a special friend, you're indeed a blessing in my life.
Oh,
cheers. And Chinenye says that we're going clubbing tonight, so you're invited.
What is going on? Why are you looking all tensed up? Are you not supposed to come into the bed already?
Chief, why didn't you tell me you were married?
Are you kidding me right now? You're looking at a man like me, and you believe a man like me is not married or what? I don't understand.
But of course there are men like you who are not married.
I am not those kind of men. I am married and everybody knows that I am married.
Good.
Can we do less of all this argument, please? Can you please come into the bed?
Chief, please. The reason I'm here is to tell you that whatever we shared is over. Everything. Stop calling me, stop texting me. Please.
Why?
I don't do married men. Didn't you just hear me?
How can you say that? No, what you are saying, is it even possible? You know, it is not possible. A beautiful girl like you, not to be dating married men. Where can we find that beautiful babe who is not dating a married man?
Well, maybe you might not see anyone. But I have a feeling. I don't want another woman to take my man.
Listen, can we do less of this? Can you at least come? What is going on? Why are you resisting me?
Just hear me. I said it is... Listen, I have a policy. You would not make me change it. Stay away from me.
Are you serious with me right now?
No, I'm joking.
And what are you doing? No, you... What? Walking out on me? What's going on?
Unlimited feelings from the inside, and to stand with you till the end of time, and the promise to never to break your heart.
I'm so exhausted.
Oh, sorry, darling. Sorry. So how is he?
He's okay. He's asleep. I think it's time for me to sleep. Baby, how is Paul? Hope he's not angry about the way I spoke to him the other day.
Not at all. He's not.
Hey, no wonder. He was just smiling. I've never seen him this happy before.
Well, you know, behind every happy man, there's a beautiful woman.
Wait. Has Paul found a wife?
No, not really. Not yet.
So what's not making him happy?
Okay, you see, Paul and Chineye are back together.
It's a lie.
I'm telling you.
Tell me something. Oh my God. Hey, I'm so happy. Oh. I hope Paul will get married to her. I just hope. I'm happy. Hey.
Well, the same thing I told him. The same advice. And he said, of course. That's it.
I hope so.
He said he's thinking towards that direction.
Oh my God. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, seriously. Now I can rest.
Forget about Paul, he's a matured man. What he decides to do is basically
that's
his
true,
concern.
that's true.
But I have a beautiful wife to enjoy.
I beg, I'm tired, Jerry.
Rest. Just rest.
Yeah.
Unlimited feelings from the inside, and to stand with you till the end of time, and the promise to never to break your heart. There is a promise.
Chief, you sounded very, very harsh over the phone. What is the problem? What did she do?
Your friend had the nerves to tell me to my face that she's no longer interested in the relationship.
How? Why?
She said she found out I am married. And because I am married, she is calling it off. No. What is that supposed to mean? Where can we find that woman who is dating at all and is not dating a married man? At least in our part of the world. And I could.
So, what did you say to her?
Why would I begin to join issues with her? I didn't say anything to her. You are the one who brought her for me. That's why I sent for you.
Okay, Chief. What do we do now?
I need you to go and sit her down. Or maybe stand her up or whatever thing you can do. Talk some sense into her. I shouldn't come out with so many women are the and the.
Okay, I will do that. Just calm down.
No, I am calm. Can't you see I am calm? Right on my bed, relaxing, talking gently. But I don't know how long I will be calm. Let her not provoke me. Let her not bring out the beast in me by telling me she's no longer interested in the relation. No, I will get angry. And the woman Ima.
Chief, it has not gotten to that.
It has gotten to that today. Don't be telling me that. Do you know how much I spent on that, your friend? In just within these 2 days? Again, the money I've spent on her.
Chief, I understand everything, but please don't get yourself worked up. I will talk to her.
I am already worked up. And I expect you to be talking to her already. I'm telling you the truth. You will.
It is fine, Chief. I will do that. Excuse me.
And I could have come. Chief, they married. She's not dating a married man. She's not dating a married man. Who does that? Where can they find the man that will give them the kind of money that they are spending on the married man?
The most important thing is that Chinenye has accepted to refund him everything. That settles it.
Wait, let me get you. By saying that settles it, are you possibly implying you're in support?
Babe, I was with Chifu. I saw the fire in his eyes. That man might hurt Chinenye if she refuses to return everything back to him.
Oh, please. And what about the wonderful moments they spent together? Listen, that man needs to be made to understand women are expensive and you don't ask them to return anything.
Okay.
Yes.
Why are you complicating things? Eh? Chinenye was the one who received the whole thing, not you. What is your problem?
And he was the one who willfully gave her his money. It's not like she pointed a gun on his head, threatening to pull the trigger if he doesn't give her money. What's the problem? Suffice it to say that the money Miss Road had to pay for what he's been enjoying. By pain. Yes.
And let me ask.
Shoot.
If that man comes for Chinenye tomorrow, will he be able to save her?
Oh, please. He cannot do anything. Nothing.
See, okay, you won't understand what I saw.
No, I treat you badly. I know I made you cry. I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now I am down on my knees.
Uzoma said you're angry because I ended the relationship.
And why shouldn't I be? Of course, I'm very angry.
Why?
Listen, no woman takes my money and walks away. It does not happen.
So is there a particular way a girl collects the money from a man and walks away?
Yes.
Wow. Just wow. Please tell me.
Of course you know.
No, I don't.
Hey, stop playing kid with me because you know exactly what I'm talking about.
And what you're talking about is wanting me back on your bed.
Exactly. Can't we just do this? I am a destiny, even as well. Everything will be over. How else will I explain this to you?
Chief, I have told you, whatever we had is over. I will not do it. I won't.
Then you're going to refund.
What did I hear you say? Okay.
And what are you doing?
Exactly what you asked. You want a refund. I'm trying to transfer your money back to you.
I don't need the money.
Then what do you need this man? What do you want?
You. I want to just make it very simple for you. The only thing I need is you.
Well, you cannot have me, Chief. I have said it before and I'm going to say it again. You cannot have me. I won't do it.
I don't understand. If you open up this thing, I am Eva, or maybe, is it going to spoil? Why are you resisting and resisting?
Now listen to me and listen good. I have your money with me. Whenever you are ready to take your money back, let me know. I will send it back to your account.
Chinenye?
Chief!
Have a nice day. Inside. And to stand with you till the end of time. And I promise to never to break your heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you these words.
So now that you have her back, what's your plan?
To make her my wife, of course.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
That's a very good plan. When do you plan to set everything in motion?
Slow down. I haven't even told her. I'm just telling you. But as soon as I let her know, we'll go from there.
Mbao, you don't have the luxury of time. You need to do that fast. You don't have the luxury of time at all. Please tell her so that she will know. I don't want her to start thinking that we did everything just to get her back into your bed. You know how women think.
Yeah, that's true. I think I see what you're saying. I'll just do the needful as soon as possible.
Okay. Well, best of luck. That's all I can say.
Thank you. Thank you.
And make sure you keep me posted always.
Of course, sir. But what are you saying now? It's your wedding too. Part of the whole planning.
Wedding of the century.
I don't think it will be that long. I'll just make it quite, just a few persons that matter. Classy, low-key.
I know what you can do.
Thank you.
I can't wait.
I'm happy.
I can't wait.
Yuzi, it fascinates me the way Chinenye is gradually making her way back into Paul's life. Because it's going to be one of those stories that melts the heart. Oh my God, my friend. She's about to make history with her love story.
Before you start looking for hearts,
yes,
that will melt. Okay.
Yes.
I want you to remember that there is Chief who has invested so much into Chinenye's life.
I don't understand. I mean, why are you even speaking to me about Chief? For goodness sake, we both know she has no future with a character like him.
Hey, that man will come for Chinenye. And it will be too bad if that happens.
Oh, please. The question is, why will he even come for her? Why? Usoma, please, I'm in a very good mood and I do not need you to mess it up with your negative talk. I'm gonna be in my room.
How do I explain to these people that Chief is actually a bad person? How?
Unlimited feelings from the inside, and to stand with you till the end of time. And I promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you this word.
Oh, I miss it here.
I know. This house misses you too.
Really? So tell me, what does the house miss about me?
Everything. Without you, this place is just a house and not a home. But now that you're here, I trust that you'll make it a home.
I'll try.
I'll take this for you. I'll just take it to your room upstairs.
Okay, so while you do that, I'll fix us something to eat.
Okay, I'll just drop this off and I'll join you in the kitchen.
Wait a minute. Did I hear you say
Yeah, just help you out in the kitchen.
No. No, that is not you. You never help out in the kitchen, so what's changed?
This is the new me. You're welcome. I got you, baby. See you in the kitchen.
Wow. Wow. Could this be true? Oh well, let's see how it pans out. So what do you have in the kitchen? So I could make
Limited feelings from the inside, and to stand with you till the end of time, and the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you these words from my heart. That I die to love and respect you with all of my life here.
One more word from you, you're dead.
Please don't kill me. Please. Whatever you want, I will give you. I will do it. Oh, please, please, I beg you. I don't want to die.
I am not here to kill you.
What do you want?
Except you want me to kill you.
Oh, please, I beg you. Don't kill me, please. I'm the only child of my parents. I don't want to die. Please, please, please.
Where is Chineye?
She went out.
Where did she go to?
I don't know. I don't know where she went to, please.
You're lying.
Oh God, how can I lie? How can I lie with this? I'm not lying.
I guess you think this is a joke.
I mean, joke. Oh God, I'm not joking, please.
Now get up.
Huh?
I said get up.
Where? Where is she, Mom? Oh God. Oh, this is there. Okay, I get.
Don't let me repeat myself.
No, I'm up. Wait, sorry. I'm up already. Hi!
Move.
Sir?
I said move.
Sir. Wow. I mean, just... Wow.
What now? What?
This is a total change indeed.
What are you talking about?
What do you mean? Listen, babe. We need to talk.
Talk about what?
No, yes, we need to talk.
Talk about what now? What?
What brought about this change?
What change are you talking about?
Listen. Okay. Oh.
What change?
No. You were doing things that I used to do. Things you used to complain about.
Things that you begged me to help you out with. That's what I'm doing now. You should be happy.
No, I'm feeling guilty because I ought to be doing them.
No, you shouldn't feel guilty. You were downstairs doing something. I thought that it would be nice. I come up here and just... Like, you came in here, you see this place is nice. You don't like it?
Are you sure you're fine with it?
I'm fine.
Oh, God. You are sure you are fine?
Come on now, stop. You know what? Let's talk about something else.
Okay.
Come here.
I'm all ears.
Yeah.
What is it?
I think that we should go see your people.
Shut up.
Yeah. Make this official.
Wait, shut up. No.
I'm serious.
Say it again.
I'm thinking that it's time we'll go see your people. Make this official.
Yes! Oh, sorry. I need to shout.
Well, you already did.
Okay. When are we going?
Like right now.
Oh, no, you're joking! Thank you.
I love you, babe.
And I love you too. Oh, now you want to make me cry?
Just cry.
I'm crying.
Limited feelings from the inside, and to stand with you till the end of time, and the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise.
Seriously?
What's the meaning of this? What are we doing here? What do you want?
I need you to tell me exactly where your friend is.
Hey, Chief, I've just told you. I don't know her whereabouts, really.
We both know you are lying. And you need to understand where you are. Stop lying to me and tell me what I want to hear.
Chief, what reason do I have to lie to you? I'm not lying to you.
Do I know? But I need you to understand something. You are in the middle of nowhere. And you are going to tell me exactly what I want to hear. Or you will see something that is mightier than you. I'm going to you.
Chief, is this kind of kidnapping or what?
Well, if it is kidnapped, somebody will be demanding for ransom by now. Or maybe somebody must have shot somebody. But none of that has happened. You are still here talking freely with me because I want you to play this card my own way.
Then if it's not kidnapping, then what do we call this? Chief, I've just told you to choose.
It is my own way of making you to behave like a human being. You see this person that is standing here? He's not the only one. Of course, there are many of them. And you are in the middle of nowhere. Look at him. He's mean. When I say mean, I mean mean. Something with his friends. And I'm going to give them instruction in a situation where you fail to behave, for them to go all out. Makachideke, they will mess you up.
Chief, please just let me go.
Sit down!
Eh? Chief, please.
Do you think we're joking here?
I'm not joking. I know you're not joking. I know. I'm not joking. Yes.
Listen to me. Take this. By the time you are ready to speak, they will communicate to me.
Chief! Hey! Oh!
Uzoma, please, where's my cleanser? Uzoma? Uzo! Where did she go? Yuzi! 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 Where could she have gone to by this?
Feelings from the inside, and to stand with you till the end of time, and the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart, from the deepest part of my heart.
Clarion, I am super excited. I mean, I can't even believe this is happening. I am hoping it's real.
It is real.
Huh?
Trust me.
Ha! Okay, oh. I hope this lasts.
It will last, don't worry. I mean, he gave me his word, and I believe him.
Who? Paul? That's one. Who believes a woman should do the house chores. Everything should be done solely by the woman.
You know, that is where a lot of young men of this generation get it all wrong. I mean, relationship and marriage should be a two-way thing. Especially when it comes to finances and house chores.
Thank you.
A man should be able to help his woman in the kitchen or with the chores, especially if she is sick or tired. There's nothing there. I mean...
Who are you telling that one? Our Paul of the Old Testament. My sister, he doesn't believe in that. He doesn't.
Which one is Paul of the Old Testament again?
Claire, why are you sounding like you don't understand what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about.
Don't mind me, I know.
You know, he keeps clamoring about how his father married his mother, how the mother worships the father, and he wants me to do the same thing. How possible is that?
You know, in a way, you shouldn't blame him much. I mean, that is what he grew up with. I mean, that's how it was in his days. Even though it's not obtainable now, but I mean, just try to understand him a bit.
Anyway, I am just so happy. I mean, I am super duper excited that I have my man back. And that's all that matters.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And yes, now comes the best part of the story.
Okay.
He said he's going to see my people this weekend.
Are you?
Don't scream.
This is the best news of the year.
Uh-huh.
This is what I'm talking about.
Ever.
Oh,
Babes,
wow.
I am excited.
This is good.
Oh my God, I look like a bride already. Oh, I'm feeling like a bride already.
I can understand.
Feelings from the inside, and to stand with you till the end of time, and the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you these words from my heart. That I die to love and respect you with all of my life here.
You sounded very troubled over the phone.
Yes.
What's the problem?
It's Uzoma.
What about Uzom?
Chief, Uzoma has been missing. And the worst part of it is that all my efforts to get her via the phone proved abortive.
Well, if you have efforts to make over anything, I will advise you to begin to make the effort towards something that is important. Uzoma is not missing.
Really? So then you must know her whereabouts.
I know everything.
What a relief.
Don't relieve yet. I am keeping her. And if she fails to do what I'm asking her to do, she's not going to be released. Or mad.
What really is going on, Chief? I mean, why would you keep my friend on such basis?
I am keeping her somewhere and she's going to remain there. Chinenye, I want Chinenye back on my bed. And Uzoma is the one that is going to make that happen. She's playing dumb with me. If she fails to put Chinenye where I want Chinenye to be, she's going to remain there forever.
My goodness! Chief, I don't understand you.
What have I said here now that is difficult for you to understand? Please, don't give me this I don't understand useless slangs that you people use. It does not work with somebody like me. Because you understand what I'm saying.
Chief, but you do know that keeping her against her will is kidnap, don't you?
Well, different men have different ways they operate. This is how I operate, and I don't care how anybody feels about it. Very simple.
Chief, please, listen to me. There are better ways to resolve this. Please just let her go. I promise you we are going to find a solution as soon as possible.
I am not going to take that risk. You see this one I'm already holding in my hand? This strategy I have devised to bring Chinenye back into my bed, I am not going to take the risk of stepping down on it. She must have to come where I want her to be. What uncle you called?
Chief, this is not right. This is wrong on every level, Chief.
You know what? Well, I think I have come to the end of this meeting. And I expect to be leaving now. So I want you to show me your back. That is if you don't want me to bundle you into the same place where Uzoma is kept. Of course I will do it. No, I will do it. I will literally say about Pokta. You people will keep making mistakes, believing you are smart. If you people fail to make the move that I want you to make, I will continue to make my own move. Moving Kamanara Dema. Umwanataramboja Dema.
Unlimited feelings from the inside, and to stand with you till the end of time, and the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart, from the deepest part of my heart.
sweetheart.
I guess the baby is sleeping.
Does he know how to do any other thing rather than to sleep and eat? It's tiring.
Sweetheart, I hope you intend feeding our baby with breast milk for about at least minimum 2 years.
2 years. Does that still happen?
What do you mean by does that still happen? Hope you're not trying to insinuate or tell me that you intend on not feeding him for that long. I mean breastfeeding him.
Baby, I did not say I would not feed my child. How can I not feed my child now? Baby, you should know that we have near excellent infant formulas that are just like breastfeeding. Yes, now.
Near excellent infant formulas, you say?
Mm-hmm.
That is a lie the manufacturers have sold to you. Listen, generations after generations, you will also understand that there is nothing as perfect as pure breast milk. Nothing can beat it. I had it.
I hear you.
See how strong I am.
Yes, sir. Anyways, Paul and Chineye came by.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I didn't bother to tell me since.
Well, it's not late now. Guess what?
What?
They bought 4 cartons of infant formula for the baby. Yeah.
What did you say?
Yes, now. He went to the market and bought the most expensive one of all. I was so happy. Like, he's a really good friend to you. You should know that.
Sweetheart. So, are you the one who is going to lecture me now about my friend, Paul? See, I know him. We've been friends for over decades, so I know him.
I know he's your friend. I'm just happy. I'm happy that him and Chineye are together. I'm just so excited.
Well, I'm also happy. I'm happy for them. At least. My prayer is that they all, at least something good comes out of it.
Yeah, exactly. Amen.
Yeah.
Amen. I pray so too.
Amen.
Amen.
Let's get back to the discussion. Come on, breast milk is
Let's
important.
forget something.
Yeah, at all. So, our son is going to be breastfed exclusively for 2 years at least. What do you think?
No, sir. He won't.
Here's my suggestion. You see those things that Paul brought?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to bring them out. Okay? We've got 2 options. Either you sell them, 1, or we give them out to those who want them.
You don't go there. I'm not selling anything. Our baby needs them, and we have them. So, period.
Yeah. Our baby needs breast milk. And we have them.
I beg.
At least 2
I
years
beg.
exclusive.
2 words. You can let him suck your own nipple now.
I had 5 years.
I beg, go, I beg.
Come on, please.
Stop now.
No, I'm just...
Stop, I beg.
At least 2 years is not much. Just 2 years.
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
We need to talk, Chief.
Listen, I don't have anything to talk with you.
Of course we have.
Can you move this car, please?
We have everything to talk about, Chief. Except you want me to drive from this point straight to the police station and tell them that you kidnapped my friend.
Listen, Chineye, you are beginning to bite more than you can chew. And I'm not going to take that from you.
Really? Funny enough, you caused it, Chief. The game starts now.
What do you want?
I want you to release my friends. 2 hours is all I give to you. Else I go to the police station.
I was actually thinking you have something serious to discuss. Now I know you don't have anything. Can you get off my car?
Of course I have something. Let me give you a shocker, Chief. My uncle is the commissioner of police. And trust me, you would not like what he would do to you if I report this case to him. 2 hours is all I give to you to release my friend. Else, you don't want to. 2 hours, Chief, is all I give to you. Let me have my friend. I am not joking you.
So this is how she wants to play the game.